Hi, Emma. Do you like using new phones?
Hi, David. Yes, I like new phones. They have many cool things.
My phone is old. I want to buy a new one. Do you have a new phone?
Yes, I do. It has a good camera and a big screen. I love it.
That sounds great. I think I will get a new phone soon too.
You should. New phones are very fast. They also have lots of apps that help with everyday tasks.
What apps do you use the most?
I use the camera app and the Maps app a lot. The camera takes great pictures, and Maps help me find places quickly.
That's really useful. I think I will enjoy using those apps too.
Yes, and new phones are also very good for watching videos and playing games. You will love it.
Thanks, Emma. I'm excited to get my new phone now.